Hello students, you are again welcome to Excel Commerce, and today we'll be taking up importance of business environment. Many a times it happens that you people find difficult in understanding importance of business environment, in the sense that it is very difficult for you to remember what would be the importance. I am suggesting you one simple way so that you can find it out very easily, that how to find out importance of business environment. For this, what simple thing you have to do is to remember features of business environment. Now what you do, take any one feature and then ask question, so what? The moment you will ask so what, you will get the answer in the form of importance. So in this way, you can remember importance of business environment, and suppose you have forgotten what are the importance of business environment, you can remember it easily. Now I'll discuss one by one all the importance of business environment. The first one is identify opportunities and getting first mover advantage. You should know that there are many opportunities lying in the market or lying in the business. Now what you have to do, you have to tap up those opportunities, and accordingly you should act. So it is important for you to find out the opportunities. There are so many opportunities found in a business, but you will have to be alert what opportunities are lying ahead. And getting first mover advantage. First mover advantage means the first move. Say for example, Maruti Udyog company. In fact, Maruti Udyog, they found that small car is needed in the market, and there is a very good demand of small car. So they identified this segment and they started marketing and manufacturing small car in the market. So this is the first mover advantage. If you come first, then you can get the maximum share of the market in as far as the product is concerned. So the importance of business environment means business environment helps in identifying opportunities and getting first mover advantage. The second point is identify threats and early warning signal. Now what is the meaning of identify threats and early warning signal? There are so many threats. As I said, that there are so many opportunities lying in the market. Similarly, in business, there are so many threats. Threats like, if suppose your competitor has come with a new sales promotion activity and is offering something great. So these are the threats for your product. So you will have to identify that what are the threats prevails in the market. In the other form also, you will have to find out threats in the market where you are present or where you are operating, and then accordingly you will have to find out early warning signal. If there is any change in the market, then it gives you signal that this is going to happen. That you will have to identify, and then only you can take decision according to the changes. So it is important that you should identify the threats. क्या threat है market के अंदर में, ये आपको identify करना पड़ेगा. And accordingly, you will have to find out early warning signal. Say for example, the patient of migraine, they have aura. Aura means they come to know that migraine is going to be attacked in very short span of time. In the same way, you have to identify that what are the threats, and similar warning signal gives you. So you will have to identify what are the warning signal. This is possible only when you study business environment. If you don't have any idea about business environment, or you are not aware to know or to understand the business environment, it is not possible for you to get that early warning signal. So, business environment helps in identifying threats and early warning signal. Next one is business environment helps in tapping useful resources. Useful resources means you will have to tap up the useful resources. Say for example, nowadays you must have heard that Trump is asking for chloroquine and we have supplied them chloroquine. But to manufacture chloroquine, raw material is required. That is known as API, active pharmaceuticals ingredients. But that is being supplied by China. So you will have to tap up the resources. Until and unless you tap up the resources, it is not possible for you to meet the demand. But business environment helps in tapping useful resources. The next point is coping with rapid changes. Coping with rapid changes. There is always a changes in business environment, and business environment suggests us how to cope with rapid changes. There is a rapid change in the market or in the environment, and you will have to identify that how or with what speed the changes is there, and accordingly you have to cope up. Means to every single change you will have to identify, and accordingly you will have to change. Means you will have to cope up, you will have to adjust according to the changes. So business environment helps in coping with rapid changes. Next point is assist in planning and policy formulation. As far as planning is concerned, planning means future course of action. What should be your future course of action? What action you are going to take in future? And policy formulation, in fact, policy is a part of planning. It is a guideline, and on the basis of the guideline you have to proceed. So business environment, if you study business environment, then it assists in planning and policy formulation. In fact, both elements are important, planning as well as policy formulation. And both the activity you can do only when you come to know about business environment prevailing in the environment or outside your business. And the last one is helps in improving performance. In fact, nowadays every business organization, they want that your performance should be 100%, neck to neck performance. So this is possible only when you study business environment. What are the elements of environment prevailing which surrounds your business, and accordingly you should act. Then only you can improve your performance inside the business. So this is all about importance of business environment. First one is identify opportunities and getting first mover advantage. Second one is identify threats and early warning signal. Third one is helps in tapping useful resources. Fourth one is coping with rapid changes. And fifth one is assist in planning and policy formulation. And sixth one helps in improving performance. I think you must have understood what are the importance of business environment.